Taking the latest look at live Viper radar, it's just a very active morning across the state of Texas right now. There's tornado warnings in the Houston area. There's heavy rain here in East Texas, and there's still some snow falling off into the Texas Panhandle. Now, the snow stays away from us, and the severe weather threat stays away from us as well. So kind of the best of both worlds here. It's just plain rain, but some stronger thunderstorms certainly out there over by the Nacogdoches area. And as we head throughout the remainder of today, we are going to continue to see widespread rain falling, and you can see by even 2 o'clock, look at how much activity is out on the board there. So many oranges, reds indicating that heavy rain, some thunderstorms as well. Certainly can't rule out some gusty thunderstorms with this activity, but should remain below severe limits. We'll continue to see this heavy rain track through the area by 4 o'clock in the afternoon. The heaviest of the rain is pushing off to our east here and is right along the Louisiana state line by around 4 o'clock. So by the time you're heading home from work this evening, overall the conditions should be gradually improving as the heaviest of the rain pushes over into Louisiana. But around 6, 7 o'clock in the evening, we will get some of that wraparound moisture moving on in. This is the stuff that they were treating for over in the DFW area. Again, they may have slightly more impacts than here in East Texas, but certainly a few snowflakes cannot be ruled out to be mixed in along the Interstate 30 corridor, but any activity is going to be very light, and it is going to be warmer here than it is going to be in the DFW area. So that's why they were treating the roads over there. And you probably haven't seen anybody treating the roads along Interstate 30 here in East Texas because it's not going to cause any impacts. Just potential for a few snowflakes to mix in tonight within that rainfall. We will see the clouds continuing into the day on Wednesday, so expect Wednesday to be chilly, but we should be drying out. We also have a risk of flash flooding here. Again, we look at the flash flooding risk on a scale of 1 to 4 here, 1 being marginal and 4 being a high risk for us. But we do have a slight risk for excessive rainfall. In other words, a flash flooding potential is there, especially the further south and east you go across the area. And like I mentioned, can't rule out wintry mix in our far northern areas indicated in the pink. This includes Mount Pleasant, Mount Vernon, Sulphur Springs. Emory should for the most part stay north of just north of Gilmer and Mineola, but if you live right north of town, you can't rule out some snowflakes mixing in perhaps as far east as Linden and up towards Texarkana, but overall, again, no impacts are expected. Taking a look at temperatures right now, we are sitting out mainly in the 40s, so it is a chilly one. We're near 50 in Lufkin, and some of us will climb into the low to middle 50s in deep East Texas as winds turn a little bit more southeast and start bringing in that warmer air from the Gulf of Mexico. Until then, though, it's windy right now. Winds around 10 to 15 miles per hour, give or take here, and wind gusts are even higher, especially along a frontal system that is moving across Interstate 45 right now. For today, we are going to see winds out of the east at 15 to 20 miles per hour. A steady rain will continue for the rest of the afternoon here, and it is going to be windy as well, with winds gusting over 35 miles per hour. For tonight, we are going to see some showers mainly in northern areas where a wintry mix is also possible, but it's not going to cause any impacts because those temperatures are above freezing. Your 7-day forecast looks like this. That steady rain for our Tuesday leads to a dry but cold Wednesday. Sunshine returns on Thursday and Friday, and then we'll see more showers for the weekend with highs in the 60s. And then for deep East Texas, it is more of the same. Look for those highs to return to the 60s by Friday and showers to return again for Saturday, Sunday, and even into Monday of next week.